today's video, I'll show you exactly how to find your Twilio phone numbers quickly and easily. Start by logging into your Twilio console. Once you're on the main dashboard, click on Phone Numbers to navigate to the dedicated phone numbers page. Here, you will see a section called Active Numbers, which lists every number you've purchased through Twilio. Think of it as your personal Twilio Rolodex. For each number, you can check its capabilities, whether it supports SMS, voice, or other features, and see the region, which tells you where the number can be effectively used and potential costs. You will also notice a friendly name for each number, which acts as a label, like support line or sales team, helping you quickly identify each number's purpose. And that's it. By visiting the Active Numbers section in your Twilio console, you can easily view all your numbers along with their key details. This makes managing your Twilio numbers simple and efficient.